How to create a layout design from a schematic. Layout is very closely related to a schematic. Layout design cannot be created without a schematic. In this window, we can see no layout view because we cannot do layout, only schematic and symbol view. If had layout, so open create automatically. Open schematic file. This is my schematic. To open simulation environment, select Launch, Layout XL. Layout create new, configure auto then OK. Same library to the schematic, view layout and type is layout. If all OK schematic and layout widow. This is layout window. We can see on screen, schematic and layout window. Select F on keyboard, to fit the layout screen. This is layer selected windows and have some diffusion, NWell, Poly, NIMP, PIMP, Contact and Metals. Check the menu option to create and how wiring and draw layout from schematic. This is a blank layout window and area scale is 00.